Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make an invisible stitch, and for that we need a needle. I recommend a doll tapestry needle like this. We will skip the first stitch, go through the next stitch with the needle like this, pull through, and then go back into the stitch. Like this. And that makes it an invisible seam. I have now crocheted in a spiral, which means that there will be an edge. But if you crochet with a seam, this will be a perfectly round circle. But yeah, that is how you make the invisible stitch. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like colorful amigurumi and content related to that, I highly recommend you to check out my YouTube channel and come and subscribe. We do a lot of crocheted amigurumis here, as well as tutorials and studio vlogs. I hope I'll see you around. Bye!